Everyone, it's Carrie over at DoubleClick. I wanted to do an update on my Anything Goes paper crafting challenge. Originally, my challenge was going to go until June 13th, but I have decided to change that date after I did a poll on my YouTube channel. And I'm going to move it out to July 13th, and that's July 13th, 2022. And there's a couple of reasons. One of them is that I only received a few entries, so I had no problems editing and uploading the videos. I had plenty of time to do that. And I've been able to manage the start of preparing my cross-country season while still kind of working in my craft room. So, and I also know some people had messaged me that they were going to be out of town or they had things going on. And so I've decided to go ahead and extend it to July 13th. And then what I'll do is I'll probably draw the winner like the following week for the prize. So everything is still going to remain the same, except I'm just extending it a little bit longer. It is an Anything Goes paper crafting challenge. You have to be over the age of 18, a subscriber of my channel, and due to like the cost of postage, it is going to be US only because I'm actually sending out a physical prize. I'm DoubleClickConnect on YouTube, on Instagram, as well as on Etsy, but my contact information is on my About Me in my YouTube page, and or you could just like DM me on Instagram for my information. So this is anything goes. For an example, you could send a tag flip, a Rolodex, flat mail, an embellishment box, a pocket letter, any kind of crafting item, a 3D item, a flip book, a junk journal, pretty much anything that you like to craft. You will receive one entry for your project and one extra entry for a video response linking back to my channel. Now, if you don't have a channel, that's fine. You don't have to do a VR. If you want to tag me on Instagram, that would also count towards the video response. I will share all the entries on my channel, just as I have been doing, and my mailing address is on my About Me page on YouTube, where you could just direct message me on Instagram. And now it's going to be open until July 13th, and if you just want to leave me a comment, that way when I get your package, I kind of know where to link your channel. So anyway, that's the extension. Thank you guys for understanding, especially those of you that had actually put your entries in from the original date. I appreciate that so much. But I want to go ahead and just share again what the prize is that I'm sending out for your entry. Some washi tapes here. That's a washi tape. And this washi tape. A couple of rolls of ribbon. And some more ribbon. A couple of stamps. A set of my Frosty DoubleClickConnect dewdrops, which are currently available in my Etsy shop. I'm sending those out. That was a limited edition color as well. We have some eyelets, some plastic tags, some word chipboard pieces. I think I've added some stuff since my original video. We just have some scrapbooking papers and chipboard here. And then this is one of my junk journaling sets that I have listed on my Etsy, so I'm just sending out a sample of the junk journaling supplies in this prize package. Okay, then we have a collection of stickers, lots of goodies there. Then we have some basil flowers. Whoops. We have some cork pieces, some canvas pieces, a couple of different laser tags, some charms, a couple of stickers, some more fun stickers. We have a planner, sticker book, super cute. All right, then we have a couple of frames, some K & Company embellishments, some more embellishments. These are like clips, some brads, some charms. Here's another set. It's a little different. We have some giant brads. We have some laser cut stockings and some rim tags. We have a package of clips, a package of buttons, and then we have some wooden flags, and then we have this Sizzix butterfly die. So yeah, guys, that's it. This is the prize that's going out to one lucky winner. And here are the rules extended to July 13th, 2022. Thank you guys so much for your entries. It's been so fun looking at everybody's projects that I've received so far, and I've met so many new YouTube friends. It's been so fun and exciting. Thank you all for your support. Have a great day, guys. Bye.